My hair's looking crazy. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual. I've actually been spending a lot, if not all of my free time outside of work, sewing a lot of face masks for people in the area who are in need of them. So instead of showing you guys a tutorial today, I'm actually just going to walk you through the process of what I've been doing the last 2 weeks now. I shot most of the clips you're going to see during the first week, which I believe in the first week I made about 43 masks. I am now on like mask 82. When I first started making masks, I was really only going to do it for my family and for my nieces and nephews and their parents, and then I kept getting messages from people saying that they needed them, they couldn't find them anywhere, and I realized that a lot of the masks that are being made at home are being donated to healthcare facilities, which means that the average person who doesn't work at a healthcare facility is kind of being left with nothing. And if you don't know how to sew, then they're kind of screwed. So I started sewing them, and then in return I'm just asking for donations. I didn't feel right trying to sell them just because people don't want these masks, they need these masks, and I wouldn't want to be trying to profit off of this pandemic. I hope that eventually I'll get back to showing you guys tutorials. I have some ideas for upcoming videos, but for right now, I feel it is more important to make these masks. So hopefully next week I'll have some sort of video for you guys. Here's my sewing machines. Here is all the material that I bought, that I've cut out, pressed. I counted out, I'll be making about 47 masks when I'm done with this. I'm making them in different sizes. Men, women, children, small, medium, large, whatever. Got my mom helping me. She doesn't want to be on camera because I don't think she can handle the fame. But yeah, I wish I would have started showing you guys when I got everything home when I bought it, but as I said, I wasn't really planning on making a video, so I wasn't really thinking. I just wanted to get everything done. But I hope that this encouraged some of you guys who know how to sew, who have those type of machines at home, to make some masks. I mean, I didn't want to make a video because, I mean, with everything going on at work, I'm tired, and I just wanted to get everything done. But honestly, I wanted to get this done because, that's my niece. I wanted to get this done because I'd hate to have someone that I love get sick, and something as simple as this mask could have helped them. So here I'm making them. I'll show you guys my setup in a little bit. Here is the setup that we're using for this weekend. Over here I have the masks that are only cut out. I still gotta do some sewing. Over here I got the ones that are partially sewn that either need pressing or just need to have the straps added onto. Over there is our cutting station. Right there's my mom. Hi, Mom. She is pressing all the straps and the masks as I'm sewing them. They were out of elastic at the store, so I went out and bought all the soft headbands. So if you were looking for headbands at Sterling Walmart, I got them all here. This is what I want the final mask to look like. To have a band, but then it also has straps to kind of hold it to your face. So we're hoping to finish all 47 masks by the end of the day. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram on @APollyLook. There, I've been posting some of my upcoming events. There, I've been posting some of upcoming projects and any videos that I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like today's video, then I don't blame you because I didn't actually teach you anything. So, okay, bye.